Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can recover deleted notes on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead and open up your notes app. Go ahead, open up your notes app and go back, and now you will find all of your information, all of your notes that you have saved. So from this section, what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead, tap on this little arrow icon to go back, and here you will find recently deleted. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete a note, and I have deleted my note, right? So I'm going to go back, and here I will find the recently deleted. Tap on it. So once you find the note, you have to tap on edit and select it, and all you have to do is simply tap on move, and you can move it to a new folder. You can go simply tap on notes, and it will be moved back to your note like that. That's how you can recover your deleted notes after it will be deleted. So make sure you do it before 30 days. Afterwards you cannot retrieve them. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.